Alright, today we're going to bring our circular saw, and this is a perfect one to actually use in small close quarter areas. It has these elevations and the actual battery included with it, a charging, a kit, and the actual bag for it. They give you an actual bag for it. Now this one included has a couple of safeties that you should be aware. There's a safety button here along with the grip. There's a drop down level, if you guys can see that. And then a razor. You could raise this or lower it down. So today we're gonna use it out here and indoors too, and we're gonna set it up and see how it works. All right, so when you get your circular saw, you get your Allen wrench. All right, you gotta make sure you get your Allen wrench. So if you guys notice, we got our Allen wrench here. Now you're gonna have to push the button. There's a button in the front of it. All right, hold it down. You're gonna have to release it. Make sure you release it to the proper unlocking area. All right, so we're gonna unlock it. You guys can see. Now for the blade, I did not remove the plastics yet. All right, so we are gonna go ahead and embed the blade in there if it needs changing. All right, so you have to put it in between there, drop it in place. All right, I dropped it in place. Bring this piece first. All right, this goes on top. Make sure you lock it in. Once you do that, you're gonna go ahead and put the third part. All right, here, locking in place. Keep pushing the button until you get it nice and firm. It has to be real tight, right? And once we get it nice and tight like this, push it one more time, and that should do it. Fully charged. Just check if you have 2 bars, so we're still gonna use it. 20 amps. Butter, very simple.